Welcome students. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the ICET practice paper 3 and we will be discussing the mental ability part of class 8th. So without any delay, we should start with the first question. The question number 29 was the first question in the mental ability part, and let's see what that question says. Okay. So, right. So what is given? That A is B's father. Let me make some more space because this question will require some space. Okay, fine. So what is given? That A is B's father's. So this is B's father's only child. That means B has no brother, no sister. Only child's son. So over here, son's aunt. Now they are saying that the aunt of this son. You all know that B has no sister, right? So that means that doesn't mean that B is not having a cousin sister also. So over here, B is having a cousin sister. Okay, so which is A. Okay, that the aunt is A. Okay, so I will repeat. See what is given. A is B's father's only child. Okay, only child's son's aunt. Okay, so the aunt of this son, right? But since B is not having real sister, that means this A is what? A is cousin sister of B. Okay, then they are asking you, then what is A's relation to B? So A's relation to B. So A and B are what? They are cousins. So the correct answer over here was option number B, cousins. Okay, let's see the next question then. Okay, this was a very easy question over here. See, I guess I won't be needing some space also over here. Yeah. So if you see over here, see what is given: 1310, 1613, 1916. Now see, this is 13, right? This is 13. Okay. So 13 plus 3 if you do, you get 16. Okay. Then see this 10. If you do 10 plus 3, you will get 13, right? So what you have to do, you have to take two digits, and for getting the next number, add 3 to first two digits, you will get the first two digits of the second number. Again add 3 to last two digits of the first number, you will get the last two digits of the next number, right? So similarly, if you look over here, then this is 16. 16 plus 3 if I do, I will get 19. Okay, and this is 13. 13 plus 3 if I do, I will get 16, right? So the last number is 25. So 25 plus 3 if I do, I will get 28. And 22 plus 3 if I do, I will get 25. So the correct answer is 2825, which is option number D. So the correct answer for this question was option number D. Now let's go to the next question then. Okay, this question is a bit difficult, you can say. Okay, so for this question, what will you need? See, now in this question, what was given? A cube is painted red on all its faces. That means this is a cube, right? Now this cube is painted red on all its faces. Okay, if this cube is cut into 125 identical cubes, then find the number of cubes whose all the faces are not red. That means you have to write down the number of cubes which won't be having any red color on any of its face, right? So if this cube is divided into 125 cubes, then see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, on this face, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the top also 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now see, if you see all the cubes over here, so this is 1 cube, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 on one side, 25 on the exact opposite side. So 25 cubes will be painted. That means at least one of the faces will be painted. If you see the right side, so 25 plus 25 makes 50. 50 plus over here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Okay. And on the opposite side also 15. So that will give you 30. So in all, 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 30 is 80. 80 cubes are painted, right? On the top also there will be faces which are painted. See this, I guess, see, we have already considered this portion, right? We have already considered this face. We have already considered this face. Okay, right? Now this is remaining. Okay, we have considered this face also. Now this cubes on the top will be remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 faces on the top and 9 faces on the bottom will be painted. So that is 18. So let's count the total. So it is 50 plus it is 30 plus 9 2 is 18. So this will give you what? 80, 98. So that means 98 cubes are painted. So how many of them are not painted? So we need to do 125 minus 98. So it will be 27. So that means 27 cubes are there which are not painted. That means none of their faces are painted red. Okay. So this was a bit you can say complicated question. Now let's move on to the next question then. Okay, in this question what they are telling you that 3 different positions of a dice are shown. Which number will be opposite to 3? Okay, so the number opposite to 3 we have to find out. Now see, what can we do? 5, right? I can pick up this, I can place it like this. So 4 will correspond to 1 over here and 6 will correspond to 3 over here. Okay, and yeah, and if I pick up this cube and if I place it below this, so on the opposite face I will get, sorry, on the bottom face I will get 2. So the face which is opposite to 3 is 6. Okay, so now this type of questions you have to imagine, okay, and then only you will get the answer. So the correct answer over here is 6. 6 is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question then. Okay, the question number 33. In this question, what is given? Okay, in this, there are symbols given in each of the boxes. You have to find out that in the last box, which figure will fit. So over here, which figure will fit? You have to say that. Now see, if you observe one thing, S and arrow, okay, they are shifted to the last position in the second figure, right? Now if you observe this, only the first position, the figure at the first position is shifted at the end. Okay, again you see the fourth figure, the last two you can say the last two symbols are shifted, sorry, the first two symbols are shifted at the last. Okay, if you see the fourth and fifth figure, only the first symbol is shifted at the last. So what is happening? From the starting, if you see, the first two symbols are shifted at the end. Okay, their order is not changed, only their position is changed. So first becomes third and second becomes fourth. Okay, and in the second figure, the symbol at the first position becomes last. Again, first and second becomes last. Then afterwards, first becomes last. So again, these two symbols will be at the end. So first will become third and second will become fourth, and rest will be as it is. Okay, rest will be as it is. So S, arrow symbol, triangle and a circle. So option number B. So the correct answer over here was option number B. Now let's see the next question then. Okay, in this figure, what is given? Say they are telling you that out of the given answer figures, which is the correct one to replace the question mark? Okay, so which which figure should come over there. Okay, fine. So if you observe this triangle is rotating clockwise, right? First it was over here, then it moved in this corner, then over here, then this corner. So now definitely, and it is with rotation, like see, it is rotating anti-clockwise by 90 degree. It was over here, then it shifted on this side, then it shifted on this side, then it shifted on this side, that means this side. Now it will be over here. Okay, one more thing, if you observe, see this triangle was upright, over here it is inverted, वो उल्टा हो गया. Again यहाँ पे it is upright, next position again उल्टा हो गया. So अब वापस ऊपर आएगा तो it will be upright like this. So कौन से ऑप्शन में ऊपर वाला ट्राइंगल है? दैट मीन्स ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट है या तो सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. डी और बी बिल्कुल भी करेक्ट नहीं हो सकते. ओके, इफ यू सी दिस सर्कल्स, ये जो शेडेड सर्कल्स है वो किस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो हो रहे? सी यहाँ पे था पहले, नेक्स्ट में यहाँ पे आ गया. दैट मीन्स अगेन ये 90 डिग्री से रोटेट हो रहा है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट हुआ 90 डिग्री, अब यहाँ पे 180 डिग्री रोटेट हुआ क्योंकि इसके बाद डायरेक्टली ये है. ठीक है, तो वापस इट विल सी. नाउ अभी हम यहाँ पे कंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज यहाँ पे उसने 80 डिग्री टर्न लिया, तो मे बी यहाँ 80 डिग्री ले भी सकता है या तो 90 डिग्री टर्न ले सकता है. तो राइट नाउ वी कैन नॉट कंक्लूड. ठीक है, तो वैसे हम आंसर से एक चीज हिंट मिल सकती है. देखो इसमें 80 डिग्री 180 डिग्री रोटेट अगर करेगा तो ये वाला आंसर करेक्ट होगा, और 90 डिग्री रोटेट करेगा तो ये वाला ऑप्शन होगा, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. तो लेट्स सी समथिंग एल्स जो हमें इसका करेक्ट आंसर दे सकता है. ठीक है, तो आई गेस क्या करेंगे हम, देखो साथ ही में ये बॉक्स की पोजीशन देखो, बॉक्स यहाँ पे था 180 से रोटेट हुआ. अब देखो हमारा आंसर यहाँ से मिलेगा. अब बॉक्स यहाँ से यहाँ पे आ गया, ये प्लेस पे, यानी यहाँ से यहाँ शिफ्ट हुआ. ठीक है, फिर जहां वो आ सकता है नेक्स्ट पोजीशन उसकी यहाँ हो सकती है तो वो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होगा. ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट पोजीशन उसकी यहाँ आ सकती है तो यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा. ठीक है, यानी डेफिनेटली इसमें क्या होने वाला है कि अब इसके बाद जो होगा वो डायरेक्टली ये पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा स्क्वायर. तो ये पोजीशन पे स्क्वायर देखो यहीं पे है ऑप्शन ए में. ऑप्शन बी में तो स्क्वायर को अलग ही पोजीशन पे डाल दिया है, 270 डिग्री से रोटेट करवा लिया है, तो दैट मीन्स वो सही नहीं होगा, दैट इज रॉन्ग. सो द करेक्ट आंसर वाज ऑप्शन नंबर ए in this question. Going on to the next question. This is the last question. In this question, what is given? Okay, in each of the following question, choose the correct mirror image of the word number from amongst the four options. If a vertical mirror is placed after the word gets over, तो यानी यहाँ पे mirror को रखा गया है. So mirror is kept at the end over here. ठीक है, तो E कैसा बनेगा? ऐसा बनेगा. अब किसमें E वैसा है? खाली लास्ट वाले में. इसका आंसर तो एक ही, यानी खाली वो पहला वाला ये जो लास्ट अल्फाबेट है उसको आप रिवर्स करके देख लो तो यू विल गेट योर आंसर. ठीक है, तो डेफिनेटली डी हमारा आंसर होगा क्योंकि जब भी मिरर हम ऐसे रखते हैं तो ई ऐसा नहीं दिखने वाला है, और अगर देखो आप तीनों ऑप्शन में ई को वैसा रखा हुआ है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर वाज ऑप्शन नंबर जी. ओके, सो बाय दिस वी हैव फिनिश्ड विद द डिस्कशन ऑफ द आईसेट प्रैक्टिस पेपर 3 मेंटल एबिलिटी पार्ट. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी दैट क्वेश्चन इन द कमेंट. ओके, थैंक यू.